it.
You're putting combat boots on.
I'm putting a combat boot on.
Oh, okay, you're putting...
Hold it by your nuts. Look how many, like literally, hold it right.
How many kicks does it take to launch it?
I'll do one kick.
You might want to get away from the computer.
Alright. Yeah, no, hold it between your legs.
No, I'm good.
Dude, look how many layers of bubble wrap that is. It's not gonna hurt.
That's what you think.
Like, literally, have it between your legs, someone kick straight up. I'm not like Spartan kicking you.
I would.
Just like,
Kick like that.
alright, I can. No. Just put it.
Alright, I'll just hold it.
No, just hold it between your legs. Larry, you do it.
I don't trust you.
Dude, I'm going to keep it one time.
You want to do it, so you fucking do it.
I'll Spartan kick you.
No, you're gonna miss.
I have the best aim out of all three of us.
Definitely not you.
He's on the rifle team, it's okay.
Ty, okay, fine. At least like. Alright, ready?
Are we fucking retarded?
Yeah, Ty, you have to hold it.
Alright, I'll hold
between
it
your
tight and you just pick up, I guess.
No, you gotta. Fine, just let me punch you then. 'Cause you're not gonna let me kick you in the nuts. Larry,
I can't believe I'm about to do this.
Larry, you're brave. Ty, hold it. Can you see? Is it bright enough?
It's dark.
This is gonna fucking hurt. Larry, you have to literally put it between your legs. You'll be fine.
Let me call my mom real quick.
Come
Larry, you're gonna.
on.
I'll tell her you're fine.
If this hurts more than what you think, I get to punch you.
Alright.
Shake on it.
With an airsoft gun.
Punch you with yourself. Alright, you ready?
Not
One.
really.
Wait.
Take a deep breath. Come on.
Dude, I feel
Just
like
one.
I'm gonna be
Just
pissing
one.
blood.
Just
for a
one.
week.
Just one. 1, 2, 3. Did it hurt?
I don't even know if I got it.
Oh,
And we're done.